let's okay, I need to redo this one. This is just purely just math stuff. Yeah. Which we can figure out in a bit, but not right now. I need to do something a little easier, get a little warm up in. Oh, what's a daily like? Let's look at the daily. The daily. Okay, cool. It's like a buffer, circular buffer. Okay. So that just means wrong one. I'll do that in a bit. I'll do this one in a bit. Gotta warm up, right? Yeah, given a circular array of nums, find the maximum absolute difference between adjacent cells. Ah, okay. Okay. So basically, by the end of it, there's a special case of the last one minus the beginning, and the doing the absolute value of that. Is there a you just have to do a simple if statement. We're gonna go loop through everything, but first we're gonna do an answer, which is going to be I'm gonna do a proper. Yeah. Which I can't remember right now actually. It's like stood. It's a like min. Oh shoot. Well, I can't remember the the proper way of doing things would be. Oh, well, actually, no, we're fine. We're fine. We'll do answer is equal to 0. The reason why I say this is because that's the minimum that it can be, given that it's the absolute difference. So we know that's going to be positive no matter what, or non-negative, more specifically. And then we're going to loop through, do a simple I is equal to 0, I less than nums.size, then I plus plus, right? And we'll only have one if I is equal to one special case, which is the end, nums. If I is equal to, nums.size minus 1, the last index, aka 0, 1, 2, for that instance. Then we simply do answer is equal to stood max of answer, and it'll be nums I minus num 0, right? But I almost forgot one little thing here. I forgot to do stood, not stood, but absolute. Stood absolute. Yeah. And then for that case, we just continue. Continue break. In this regard, it doesn't matter too much. Yeah. But typically, we're gonna do answer is equal to stood max answer of stood absolute of nums I minus nums I plus 1. It doesn't really matter the difference of things, but yeah. Hey, Gabriel Ba, how often do I stream? I'm trying to be a little bit more consistent. There's less weddings that I've been going to, but at bare minimum, at least 3 times a week. But there were a couple weeks where I did it every day, like every single day. Like 3-hour sessions, sometimes multiple 3-hour sessions. And there's some times where I streamed like 6-7 hours, 8 hours a day. But we'll try to be consistent with minimum 3 times a week. I want to set the bar low, so yeah. But yeah, so oops. This one we just do the next iteration, and by the end of it, we should have the maximum answer, and we just return answer. This should pass the tests, unless I messed up on something. Yeah. So if that's the case. Nice. We did it, guys. We did it. We did it. I hope I answer your question good enough. Hey, baby.
Did you unlock my door today?
I had to.
Oh yeah.
But I forgot. I guess I forgot since the mist of everything to unlock to lock it back up.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. After you add the
Yep.
chicken. Excuse me. Nice.
I added the bone broth.
Yeah. So we just solved one, guys. We did it daily. Oh, thanks for the follow, Gabriel. Really appreciate that, mate. Okie dokie. So let's see.
And I don't have to pick up next week. Isn't that good news, Tofu? I don't even have to pick up 4 shipments.
Okay, we'll look at that in a bit. I don't want to think about that one right
We'll
now.
sure be picking up a lot in July.
So let's see. Does this need any
Stay here,
images?
Tofu. Tofu, come in.
No images. 1413.
Stay here.
Still getting warmed up. Let's go. Okay, so let's look at this one. Minimum value to get positive step-by-step sum. What does that mean? Given an array of integer nums, you start with an initial positive value, start value. In each iteration, you calculate the step-by-step sum of start value plus.
What did I eat today?
You ate your tofurkey.
Oh, damn,
Yeah.
that's all I ate.
That's what I remember.
Shit.
Excuse me. In each iteration, you calculate the step-by-step sum of start value plus elements. No, it's from left to right. Return the minimum positive value of start value. Oh, never less than 1. Oh, okay. Okay, so don't. The way that I'm looking at this right now is forget the starting value. Just say that we start at 0. Right. So start at 0, right? And then we're given nums to be equal to so at that point we want to do, and we're adding everything. Yeah, from left to right. So given a start value of 0, right, we do 0 minus 3, which is equal to -3, and then 0 minus or plus 2 is the next value, which is equal to -1. Oh, not -3, excuse me. And then we have -1 minus 3, which is equal to -4. And we have what? -4 plus 4, which is equal to 0. And then 0 plus 2, which is equal to 2, right? So the thing that we care about is this guy. We get the minimum value. And then we make it the absolute value plus 1. The absolute value plus 1? Yeah. Because we want it to be 1 or greater. That's the thing that we care about. Alright. So we're gonna start off with our int start value to be 0. Then we're gonna go through all the numbers. So for const int num and nums. We do just start value. Oops, I forgot one little thing. Is equal to plus equal num. And then we'll do int I'm forgetting this. This is bothering me. It's an algorithms, I think, like min max of int in C++. I can't remember. No, not this one. Numeric limits. Can remember that. Int min-val, which is going to equal to stud numeric limits of int, and then we'll do the maximum value. We want the maximum value because we're going to take the minimum value over time. And we want the least value from these guys. So we'll do min val is equal to stud min of min val and start val. Yeah. And then after all that, we just return the absolute value of the min val plus 1. Again, plus 1 because we're not allowed to do anything less than 1. Uh-oh. I messed up. Uh-oh. What happened? Yeah, actually what happened here? Why is the output 2? Cause we get 1 right here. We get 1. I guess to be honest, we could just do this. I see. That would be a little trick that I didn't think of. Oh, now they all fail. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna do one more little ooh. That is a slight little edge case because the minimum is 1. It only works with negative numbers. I just now realized. So I'm gonna do a ternary. So min. So there's an edge case here. So min val is less than or equal to 0. Question mark. Then if it's true, then we do the min val plus 1. And then if not, then we do, yeah, just 1. Yeah, and that should work. I think so. Yeah. At least works in this scenario. Let's see, any other scenarios that I can't think of? I think that should work. Yeah, there's like a slight little edge case. It's not really an edge case, it's more of a everything's positive, so you should be able to account for this. I just kind of assumed that it would work, but it's a bad assumption by me. But yeah, overall chill. Pretty chill. Okay, we solved 2. We have solved 2. Okay. Oop. Excuse me. Yeah, I'm too lazy for that one right now. Let's see. Find the minimum number of Fibonacci numbers. Okay, cool. So 1414. That's not what I wanted. Not what I wanted. 1414. Okay. Wait, have I done this one? Give it an no, I don't think I have actually. But we can check. We can still check. No, I haven't. Okay. Alright. Given an integer k, Return the minimum number of Fibonacci numbers whose sum is equal to k. Well, that sounds difficult. That sounds really difficult. The same Fibonacci number can be used multiple times. Huh. Interesting. We'll keep it a buck. I don't know how to do this one. Okay, so I'm thinking of these things in two parts. Not necessarily know if it's right. I don't think it's right. But I'm thinking DP, like, so this is the first part, right? Not first part. First part is we use DP to calculate basically all the numbers up to k. To k into a vector. Like all those values will go into a vector. Right, and then we have a second part, which you do something. You do something to figure out the number of values. I wonder if there's like some mathematical number here. All right. And you gotta figure out. I wonder if it's always going to be like 1, 2, or 3. Because 13, that's in the Fibonacci sequence. So you just do 1. Yeah, second part. Which I don't know if it's gonna be right. Like it's like a greedy. Second part is like a greedy. Second part is greedy. Where like, cause I don't know the numbers above it exactly, but cause it's saying. We can always do this, right? And you can use the same Fibonacci number multiple times. But I don't know what values that would be. Greedy, like going backwards in a for loop. But that's a thought. I'm not really sure. Because I'm not sure we're doing the mathematical way of doing things without like brute forcing this like Fibonacci sequence. And it has to be linear. And this is, as far as I can tell, all linear if this goes well. All right, let's try it. Let's try it. And when I mean greedy going backwards, what I mean by that is subtract the biggest number up to that point. So for this case, 19 minus 13, okay, that's the biggest number because the 13, 8, and 8 is 21. 19 minus 13 is 6, and then the biggest number after that point, it's not 8, it's 5, so 6 minus 5. And then at that point, you keep going until you get to 1, and then bam. Same way with this guy, right? The biggest number was 8 up until that point. And it kind of makes sense to do the biggest number, because then all you really need are these lower values. Yeah, but I don't know how it all works at the bigger values. And I also feel like this is kind of like a decoy. So yeah, let's go with this solution. I'm not sure if it will work per se. But it looks like a very O of N solution, given that this part is valid in my assumption, aka not having to like repeat values. But we'll see. We'll see. Because I think another thing that I thought about is the only time it's double the previous value is at the beginning. You're not gonna get a double from the after that. Like 3 is less than 4, which is double of 2. 5 is less than the double of this value. 8 is less than double of this value. So another observation. Okay, so let's think about this. So vector int of I'm gonna call it dp, and I don't know how many values are gonna go in there, but yeah. So we'll do a simple. Well, I guess we could cheat a bit, right? It's gonna be a size 2, and then we'll say dp0 is equal to 1, and dp1 is equal to 1. Right. And then we'll say while I guess we'll do int like cur val is equal to 1. While cur val is less than k, yeah. So while curve val is less than k, we'll do cur. Ooh. Ah. And I is equal to 0. J is equal to 1. We have to keep some iterators. Is there a I guess we could do this in a for loop. Well, even in a for loop we can't figure that out. Anyway, so curve val is equal to that. So we'll do curve val. Well, I guess it should be 2. Curve val is equal to dpi plus dpj. And we'll do a dp dot pushback. Why is my music not playing? One second. Oh. I don't know why it's not playing. That was weird. Okay. So anyway, yeah, pushback, curve val. And we'll do I plus plus, J plus plus. And this gets all the every value in the DP. And now we're gonna go do the greedy part in the backwards loop. So int answer is gonna equal to 0. And then for int I is equal to dp dot size minus 1, I is greater than or equal to 0, I minus minus. So we decrement. If dpi is greater than k, then we simply continue. We're not going to subtract it, but if not, then we do k is equal to or minus equal to dpi. We're gonna cheat a bit. We're gonna assume at this point k is 0. We're gonna return answer. So I bet it will work on the how do I say, the examples, but I'm not sure if it will work on like really big numbers, right? So let's look at it. Let's do some random big number. Because I kind of assumed that it will work. Oh, it's not a valid one? I did too big? Alright. Ah, it works. Interesting. Yeah, because I don't think... Fuck it, we ball, bro. Let's see. Because I kind of assume... I assume a lot in this point in time. Because I'm assuming that K will become 0. Because I don't think we need to reuse values. We're not going to be reusing... like the same thing that actually can be used multiple times. I don't think we're going to be using that information. And I was wrong. I was wrong. I forgot the smallest edge case. I messed up at test case 503 out of 504. That's crazy. Let's do this. Let's do... and 2. Make sure it works. And I instantly saw what went wrong. I think that's one of the issues that went wrong. Yeah. Let's do elite submit. Nice. Memory case is hella trash. For some reason I got faster time, which I don't really understand that. Okay, let's look at other people's solutions to that, because that was very interesting. Because that I even figured that out. Let's put on a counter. I solved 3. Let's go, guys. Solving 3 within 37 minutes? That's kind of cool. It's kind of cool. Well, 2 of them were easy. So, it's whatever. Let's see. So they did the same thing. Oh, but they can do minus indexing. Which, I don't think... Is there... negative indexing in, like... in Python? Oh, you're not telling me anything. Yeah, nah. Okay, thank you. Thank you, bro. I did do that. Okay, cool. Alright. And then... yeah, it is K minus that. Oh, okay. They started at the end as well. This is basically negative 4 loop. So basically the same thing as me. Log K. Oh, that's fair. It is log K. Yeah. Yeah, so we... okay. Oh, that's cool. I figured it out all on my own. Oh, but binary search, eh? Oh, it's smart. Yeah. Oh, that's cool. It's kind of cool. I didn't think of doing binary search, which I need to start thinking like that whenever we have like ordered values. So yeah, that's kind of cool. I'm happy about that. This is some sorcery shit going on here. What the fuck? What's going on here? I have no idea. Anyway, let's look at this one, 1415. Okay, no images needed. So let's do it. Let's do it, guys. Okay, so a happy string. Hold on. Have I done this one? Oh, I guess not. Hey, buddy. Okay, happy string is a string that consists only of letters of the set ABC. SI is less than or equal to what? Okay, so I get this one. You just want ABCs. Alright. Any non... Oh, but we're producing that. Bro, what? Okay, so we're producing ABC. Okay. SI is not equal to... Oh, it's not equal. Why did I say less than or equal? So it's not equal to the next value. So we can't do AA. Okay. I gotcha. So this is where this is coming in. For all values of I from 1 to... Right. A string is 1 indexed. Ah. Okay. Just say 0. Okay, whatever. Nah. I'm not gonna argue with this. A, B, C, C, B. Oh, happy. Gotcha, gotcha, gotcha. These aren't because there's duplicates next to each other. Okay, so given two integers, N and K. What? Oh, this is too difficult for me, guys. What's this rating? Easily 1600. It's 1575. So if I do it the way that they are suggesting it, it's like a backtracking thing, yeah. Which I'm gonna keep it a buck. I don't know how to do. I don't know how to do, man. Okay, so... So what I'm thinking is making like a backtracking function, which I don't know how to do in my head. What's up, buddy? What you need? What you need? So yeah, backtracking function. And again, I don't know what I'm doing. Just want to let me know I don't know what I'm doing, guys. So yeah, and this gives out a list of all the possible arrangements. ABC basically. Up to n, up to n. Then we sort it, cause like does like sorting a vector of strings automatically? I think it all, like if we do this clever enough, like the backtracking part, it should all be sorted lexicographically, that word. This word. I don't know how to. Oh, I guess I spelled it right. It's just I added the li at the end. Okay. Nice. Okay, so it does do that. So worst case scenario, we can sort if we don't do it smart enough. Not in order. And then after that, we just pick like the vector of k minus 1. You just return that. So all the bread, all the front end stuff, or the front end, all the things that we need to do up front is the backtracking to generate all those combinations. Do I know how to do it? No. Not at all. I don't know how to do shit. But we're gonna see what's going on. So in my head right now, void, call it backtrack. What do we want in here? K doesn't matter. We just want n. So we want n. We'll make it const. So constant n, and we want like current and then we want to edit this guy of like combos. So we have the current string. We also we have n. We also want an I in here. So Basically, I want to iterate through this list. And I need an integer to know where I'm at on that list. Not really sure if that's the way to do it. What's going on here? Oh. Let me use a write so it can auto format for me. Nice. I'm gonna keep it buck. I'm not really sure how I'm gonna go through this. Huh. Hey, buddy. Okay, so one thing for sure would be like a null condition would be if cur dot size equal to n, yeah, is equal to n, then we simply we return, but then we do combos pushback of cur, and then we simply return. That's for sure. So if we add up all the letters, like for this case, if we add cur is equal to that, yeah. Yeah. Okay. So. Okay, let's figure out how we plan on doing this. Cur is going to equal to so if we do like all that, will this actually work? Hold up. Let's see. Because I don't think it will work in an empty array. What happens? Because I think we're gonna get some indexing problems. Index empty vector. Yeah, undefined, right? Oh, not an empty vector, excuse me. But I do think it's still undefined. Undefined. Right, yeah. And that would happen in the logic that I was about to implement. Okay, so if we'll do a sentinel value, if I is equal to -1, just do cur what would this look like up here, right? I wanna definitely do this. Yeah, answer. I guess you could call it combos. And the answer is combos at k minus 1. I'm not sure. I think I'll be fine if I did this, but I could be wrong. And then we want to do like backtrack and oh my god, undo. What I want is this -1. Well, we're gonna have to revisit that. And then for this one, we want yeah, want that. And then we want combos here, which I'm not sure if this will work, but we have to figure out this combination. And I'm not the best at backtracking. Let's write it down real quick. So that's the general concept. Now how do we do it? Not really sure. Okay, so if yeah, if I'm gonna do this. If I is equal to -1, then we do a for loop of j is equal to 0. Less than, it's less than 3. J plus plus. This is really C-less plus size. And then we do and J and then we do cur plus C-list J. Yeah, and then we just do some combos. Right. Okay, so that's when we initialize everything. So now we want to so I'm gonna make it not const. I'm just gonna make it int I. Well, actually, I think we're still fine. I think we can kind of do it this way. Hold up. I guess either way we want to do like a for loop. Int j is equal to 0. But we still need this no matter what. So, and I'll show you why. So in this case, if so now we know that there's something in the combo. If clist I is equal to clist j, then continue. We don't want to repeat it, and then we can just simply, I think we can just simply do this. Just backtrack. Yeah. And still be n. This would be j. This would be cur plus. Right. Still be combos. Yeah, I think that's actually it. Oh. Let's test it. Not really sure. Okay, never mind. An unsigned offset. Okay, so something went wrong. Oh, I see. I see what happened. It's happening because this, but we'll do it one more time, just in case. Yeah. And I think after all that, we just return to get out of this. Or I guess I could have done else. Oh, that's not it. Let's do an else, just in case. And let's do a view. Okay. I'm not really sure what's happening. Having some indexing errors. Which I don't see how. Okay, let's do this. Oh shoot. No, it should work. Oh, unless this is off. Oh wait, no, it's a vector of chars? Oh no, it's a string. Okay, never mind. I should return this. Cause I wonder if it's this. Compilation. Okay, cool. So this is that. Let's do now. After for const string val and combos. Because it doesn't work for case 2. So it might not be anything. Oh, okay. So basically, return k if k is less than or equal to combos size question mark, then we return combos. And then if not, then we return this guy. I didn't read this. I should have actually thought about this. And I think that was the issue. Nice. Cool. Wait, it stood out? Wait, no, there's no... Oh, interesting. It's because of this. Yeah. Something happened. Yeah, let's can we write that? Yeah. Okay, cool. So let's do now a lead test. Oh, let's go! Let's go, guys! We did it! I just have one little little small error. So let's do... Yeah! It took a while. It took about 30-40 minutes. I think we should be good. We should be good. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's... Well, we can... Oh, let's go, guys! Let's go! Let's fucking go! I don't know why I talked like that. Let's go, guys! It wasn't the most efficient, but it was fine. It worked. Let's go! I suck with strings. We did it. Yeah, 1575. That's a pretty decent rating. Plus, I hate backtracking, man. Binary expression. Who's this guy? What the f... Oh my god. BFS? I use DFS. Technically DFS with backtracking. Oh, you can pop back? Oh, this is good things to look at. Last char. Oh yeah, last char. But anyway, we did it, guys! I did a tough problem. Or, to me it's a tough problem. To other people it's elementary school. I don't want to do this one.
Don't be bitch.
Alright, okay, you do it.
No.
Alright then. Don't be a bitch.
I don't even know what to do.
Me either!
Your background.
And yet we still don't know what we're doing. Ah, we got video. Wait. Oh, I've done this one. Oh, I did this one in 2021 in Python, nonetheless. Okay, I want to do this one then. This is one I still didn't know how to code. I still don't. And today, even today, I still don't know how to code. I want to compare my solutions. What did past me think versus me now? 1431. Yeah, where there are n kids with candies. We're given an integer array of candies where each candies represent the number of candies. Of candies. The ith kid has an integer extra candies. The number of extra candies that you have. Oh, okay. Oh, this isn't. This isn't bad at all. It's pretty simple to do this in Oven. Answer. And we're gonna make it of size, candy size, and they're all false. And I need to learn how to spell the word candy or candies. Excuse me. Yeah, so I can think of a 2-pass solution pretty easily, but I'm gonna do something real fancy, or at least I find it fancy. We're gonna dereference something. It's gonna be called stud. If I can do it, max element of candies. Begin candies and what this basically does is it gives you an iterator of where the largest candy is in this thing. So basically it's giving you an iterator that is at 5, but then you want to dereference it. So when you dereference it, then you get the actual value 5. That's basically what's happening there. And the way it does it is a simple for loop. It looks through all the elements, so it's still an O of n operation. At least that's my understanding of it. Right? So this means you do an actual for loop. And then before int I is equal to 0, I is less than candies dot size plus. Now we're gonna do answer dot pushback. Not wait, pushback. Answer I is equal to candies I plus extra candies greater than or equal to max. If that's the case, then we return true for that. Yeah, and then we just return answer. That should work. Cool. Yeah, pretty simple. Delete. Oh no, I want to do this and then. Let's go, guys. Let's go, guys. Way more efficient. Way more efficient, because I don't know what I did in Python, but it wasn't that efficient. But then again, I guess back then it was a little different on how it calculated all this. That's cool. So let's see how that stacks. Right. So I know that they're 2 different languages. Okay, whatever. Let's see the few last. Yep. This is what I did back then. So I didn't know anything about ternaries. I'm pretty sure you can still have like a ternary in some case. But yeah, this is basically what I'm doing right here. Actually, there's no need for this if else. I just do candies I is equal to this statement. I said if true, this is true. If this is false, make it false. Passamir was different, bro. I probably used. I don't know why I submitted it twice. I don't know what I was doing. Yeah. So I basically did the same thing. previously with the like max element in C++, the equivalent right here. And I guess I wanted to prove to myself that I can like, this is actually how you do it. Yeah. Interesting guy, Samir. Interesting guy. And yeah, you definitely need an iterator of some sort. Anyway, or index, excuse me. So, to be said, we got 5. Making good time, because I'm doing a lot of easies. Let's see. Let's see. Do you still need... Are the clothes still in the bed?
No, I just put them away.
Oh, okay. I was gonna do that. Okay. Thank you.
Some of the things I don't think you knew how to, I don't know if people know how to fold.
Mm-hmm.
Like top ones.
Yep.
Yeah,
Yep. I just laid them there because I organized it. That's all I got.
yeah, I was like this.
Okay, you're given an integer num. You will apply the following steps to nums 2 times. Nums 2 times independently. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna keep it. What am I? I don't know what I'm looking at here. Okay, pick another digit. Note y can be equal to x. Replace all the occurrences of x. What the fuck does that mean? In decimal representation? It just means this, right? Okay, replace by y. Let a and b be the two results from applying the operations to num independently. For the maximum difference between a and b. Oh, must not have any leading zeros. And it must not be 0. Okay. Okay. So we'll have like a... Oh, hey, Alicia 4. I obviously don't know how to say your name. I'm gonna call you Ally. I am solving this Leetcode question 1432, and I found it on Zero Track on the biweekly contest 25. Yeah. And it's rated not that high, 1426. Only rated 1426, so not too bad. Not too bad. Okay, so one thing I've noticed is that we want to change the first non-number, or first non-digit number, or the highest, the leading value to be 9. That's not a 9. That would make a lot of sense to me. Yeah. And then we get the max value of that number. Right. And then we also have a minimum value, which we want to change the first non-1 value to a 1. Yeah, because we can have a couple edge cases here where the be like a 9 1 3. We want to convert this to a 993 because that's the maximum value we can have. Like we want to change a 1 to a 9. And then we also want the minimum value, which is going to be changing that 9 into a 1. So 913 would go to 113. And then we find the difference between the two, which is some value, I don't know, 880 or something like that. Yeah. So yeah. But if on the flip side, right here, right? We still want to do this, so it's to be 996. Change a 1 to a 9. I can just do this 1 to 9. Yeah. Well, just so happen to be a 1. I could. I don't want to change that. And this would be 9 to 1. Right. And in this case, we want this one to turn into a 111, which is 6 to 1, which will end up being like 885 or something. Yeah. So that's the objective that we want. Now how to program it, different story. Be right back. I gotta use the restroom. And I also gotta think about how I want to program this. Okay. I'm gonna keep it a buck. I didn't think about much. I thought about nothing. Not really sure how I'm gonna do this. So one thing I want is like int max val, which is equal to 0, and then int min val, which is equal to 0. And then we want a like a while num is greater than 0. And then we might want to do like an int like I don't know, last digit. I don't know. We'll do a 0. Yeah, so digit is equal to digit is equal to num modulus 10. I think it was the last digit. Multiplier. So the way I'm thinking about it, I'm not sure actually. Okay, I've thought about it a bit. So I'm thinking about putting things into a stack. So we'll have a stack. Int, and we'll call it digits. Yeah. And then we'll do Is it a push or an insert for stacks? Insert stack C++. What is it? It's a push. Okay. Not digit, but digits dot push digit. So this way, and then we'll do num byte equal to 10, right, and this will decrement it basically. So we will have the digits in order. So what this 913 would look like in a stack would be literally like this, because we'll get 3 down and it'll be pushed to the bottom, and then 1 and 3, and then we're gonna keep multiplying by 10 basically. So when we pop it out, we'll get the first digit, and we'll make that first digit equal to 1. Right, so we'll do int 1 or int val to max. Or digit to max. And then int digit to min. Yeah. And I'll do like while digits. I never thought to use a stack on this question. Well, I guess I have. We'll do that, and then yeah. So while it's not empty, we'll do digit is equal to digits top, right? Pretty sure top, because that would make the most sense for a stack. Yeah, I'm solving Leetcode error for sure, for sure. I'm doing 1432. Took a little bathroom break. So int digit top if so if digit to max is equal to 0, and because we don't want these to equal to 0. Oh wait. Oh yeah, we don't want these equal to 0, and digit is not equal to 9. We make digit to max equal to digit. Yeah. What are you up to, error? And then similarly, if this is equal to 0 and not equal to 1, let's see, digit to min is equal to digit. Oh, you're going to class at this time? Oh man, you're definitely international, or at least away from my my place. Stop scrolling that side. Oh, nice. Thanks for stopping by. I think I'm getting close. I'm not sure if stack is the best solution, but it's one I thought of that's I'll be easily able to implement versus like converting to a string. So if that's the case, then we simply do, yeah. So if digit to, and now if digit is equal to digit to min, then we right, and then we do min value. Either way we do this. So either way at this point in time, we, yeah, we want to do min value. Oh, thanks for the follow. Oh, snap. Midnight Simon came through. Oh, hey, how's it going? I'm getting my butt kicked. Yeah, thanks for the encouragement, Error. Really appreciate that. First cut. Oh yeah, dude. I thought that you would be rating me this week, so I was like, I need to look fresh for my homie Midnight Simon, of course. Oh. And people were saying I was a Chad. I don't think I'm a Chad at all. But thanks. I'm not sure what the optimal solution for this question is, but I am using a stack, which I never use. So yeah. How's y'all's day been, guys? How's y'all's days been? Yeah, English is not my forte. Actually, a lot of things aren't my forte, but we're doing it anyway. So if digit is equal to digit to min, then what do we want? Then we just do min val plus equal 1. Else we do min plus equal to its digit. All right, because we're not going to minimize it. Similarly, we're going to do, there's a lot of if statements here. I'm not really the biggest fan of that. Oh, have I been a staple? Oh, dude, I think the staple is me getting destroyed in every question. I didn't realize how big the community was. Yeah. Oh yeah. Have a good night, Midnight Simon. Thanks for stopping by and rating me. Really appreciate it. So we want to do max value now, because we're converting that digit to the max value, which is plus equal to 9. Alright, yeah. And then else, we should do max val plus equal to digit. Right. So that was a lot. Let's also make sure we pop it. We gotta pop. If we don't pop, then it's not good. Then we're just in an endless loop. So let's return at this point max val minus min val. Yeah, and I think this should work. The basic gist of what I'm doing, guys, just by the way, from this question, is converting this number that we're given in the function to the biggest value that we can have, and subtracting it by the minimum value we can have, but making sure there's no leading zeros, and also that it must not equal to 0. So if the number is only 9, we change all the digits in such a way that we get this output of 8. Or the highest number that we can get is 9, and the lowest value we can get is 1. So for this instance, what I'm trying to do is look for the first non-9 integer and convert that to 9, since that's the highest value you can have. So that's what they technically did with this 555. They convert all the 5s into a 9 right here, and then they converted them all to 1s, and in that case you have 999 minus 111, which is just 888, and that's the maximum difference. But if we're not given such a clean input, I try to look for the first non-9 integer and then convert that into a 9. Similarly, the first non-1 integer, then we convert that first digit into a 1. So for this case, it's a 9, whatever the leading one is. And that's the whole gist of what I'm trying to do by using stacks. And hopefully it works. But this is kind of the moment of truth, to be honest. I haven't tested it out. Hopefully I don't have any compile errors. Ah, it works, guys. Let's go. It's cool. Or at least it worked on the examples. Uh-oh. Let's see. I was off by 1. So let's see. Let's use this test case. I don't know. Huh. So I'm just gonna do excuse me. Let's make sure we're doing this right. And then let's do a view. And then yoink it. And then paste it. And do this. And then do minval. And then dfx. And then insert minval. And do a loop test. Oopsie daisy. Forgot my little operator. Oops. So what? Oh no. Oh, I don't know the values of that. I think I saw. Is it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? I think it was that. For some reason, somewhere in my logic, it messed up. Yeah, it's that value. Good thing I remember it. I see what I did wrong. So this needs to be a 0 actually. So I need a... Ooh. So that means... Ooh, okay. So I actually fucked up. So... So in this case, if the first digit is a 1... I see. So the best one for this one would be 106, because that would be the actual minimum value. So we want a 1 to a 0 in this case. So this is an edge case that I wasn't thinking of, unfortunately. And the it'd be 890. Yeah. Interesting. Okay, so let's think about this. So basically what's happening is I put it into a stack. So this is what the stack looks like. 3, 4, 5, whatever. Technically 6. Then I add to it, and then at the end of it I multiply by 10. Keep that going. So I need to figure out how to convert this 2 to a 0. Or in another case would be I guess 555. Oh snap! So we want to convert this into a 111. Oh, this is a little trickier. It's a little trickier than I anticipated. The basic gist is if first digit is a 1. Yeah. So I need to make a boolean. Right? So bool is first 1. And I don't know what the default is. I'm gonna make it false for now. Yeah. That's fine. Okay. We'll do false. Oh shoot. His first pass. So we have 2 booleans. Oh, don't code how I code. Okay, so if not, if the first digit hasn't passed yet, then we say it has passed. That means we're not gonna go through this check again, and then we make is first one equal to digit equal to 1. Alright. And if it's equal to 1, then it's true. If not, then it's not true, right? Right. And then in this case, if it oh my god, this is such bad logic. It's so nested. Then we just do min val plus equal to 0 in a sense. And else, if we want to like explicitly say it out loud, or explicitly write it out. Yeah, and I think that should work. Yeah. Yeah. It's just that little. Oh, that's crazy. Yeah, we don't need you. Okay, then let's write out. This is about a 1500, and Alright, what happened, guys? Shit. Oh, don't do that now. Let's use this test case. Damn! Okay, can I have an undo? Nice. Let's do a... Yeah. Wait, what? Ah. It's because of my sentinel value. That's annoying, bro. Yeah. 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 It's mad annoying, yo. Yeah. Boom, 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 boom. Delete. Submit. The sentinel value is kicking my ass. What? What? I know when I look at the solution, I know for a fact when I look at the solution, it's going to be 5 lines, and I made it super complex for no reason. Oh my god. Undo. Oh, not lead submit, but lead. So what value should it be? Yeah. I see that now. Wait, no. So I'm converting a 0 to a 0. Now regarding this should be the max value. That would make a lot of sense. Making a 1 to a 9. The thing that it should be doing would be making that 5 to a 0. Yeah, making that 5 to a 0. That's what it should do. Oh my god. I know for a fact it's gonna be like 5 lines. Okay, so we have to do something with this logic. Wait. So if the first one, god damn. Oh, undo that. So basically, if the first one, if it's a 1, then we do this. If not, we do this. Would be, yeah. to min is equal to -1. Only if it's equal to -1. That means we haven't established what. And digit does not equal to 0. And digit. Oh wait, do we? Oh no, we don't need this. We don't need this. What we need would be not equal to 0. We just don't want it to equal to 0 because we don't want to convert 0 to 1. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Oop. Okay, come on. We were like 3-4 tests behind. Let's go! It was worth it! We're better than everybody! We're better than everybody! Took me like 10 attempts. Oh man, that was so brutal, bro. So bad. Okay, so what was other people's solutions? So they stringed it. What would be a good? Oh, they also stringed it. Yeah, I wasn't trying to string it. Yeah, everyone stringed it. Everyone stringed it. Which I was trying to avoid because I don't like working with strings. So, yeah. And I guess this would be considered greedy since I am trying to convert things to like 1s and 0s and 9s as well. So other people's solutions are like just as long as mine, if not longer. But yeah. Well, assuming they're writing in C++ and things like that. So yeah, they do everything to string, and I should probably learn this. Yeah. Excuse me. I did not know about this function either. The stood to string. I think I've learned it at some point, but then I forgot. Yeah. Yeah. And they're just converting those strings into a different string with the min and max value and then reconverting it back. So. Oh, stood. It was added in C++ 11. Interesting. We can look it up. I do know 11 was when like good things were getting added for strings. They didn't say it. Yeah, since C++ 11. You were right, Icy Black Deep. Oh, you don't. Well, that was the. Okay, that's true. That's true. That's true. I think that's when it like range loops were happening. And then there was all. I believe that's when also all the smart pointers were coming out. I think like, but they didn't. They came in initializing with. Oh yeah, and move semantics. Yeah. But I think make unique and like make shared didn't happen until like C++ 11. Make sure is plus. When was it added? Yeah. Oh, I lied. This was C++ 11. Oh, interesting. Never mind. Oh no, I was saying that I was thinking the way that you initialized those smart pointers with make shared or make unique was happening in 14 versus 11. I don't know history. But yeah, this just makes it really safe to use instead of like using a raw pointer. I forgot what the case may be, but anyway, we solved 6 guys. Solved 6 questions. Let's go. Wait, so how would you, what am I doing? How would you typically do it, right? So let's say, I have a share pointer, right? And it's like of class foo. And this is bar. Equal. And it'd be like foo. And all these arguments. So how do you... They made this obsolete now? Because this, I thought this was like a really good way of making it very safe and whatnot. Oh, the make tuple? Is it because of like, is it, well I do know like, I forgot what this is called. But it can like automatically assume things. So like for instance, like a pair of ints. Bob is equal to, you could do this like 1 1, and that's like automatic. And similarly with like vectors, like whatever that container is, I don't know, what is he? You can make it whatever size you want, 3, 4, and it will automatically convert that into a vector of size 4, right? I see. Yeah. Okay, we're on the same page. But yeah, the make tuple and things like that. Yeah, with this initializer list, that's very helpful. Very nice to write, and it's very concise. It's more concise than doing make blank. Yeah. I assume there's like 0 costs to it, but I'm not like in the weeds like that. Like I don't know it that well. Anyway, we did it, guys. It took me a couple attempts because I forgot about some edge cases, and I do apologize for that. Let's see, I've been upgrading my Leetcode questions. Yeah, from 317 to 322. Nice. I was slacking for the past couple of days. I had a wedding to go to. But let's see. Yeah, I've been holding this one off. This was in, yeah, let's do this one. I've been holding it off. This is from 22, I believe. No, 21. Okay, never mind. 23? 23. The bi-weekly contest for 23 apparently was like the easiest one. I've done the first 3, but I haven't done this one. I was looking at it and I have to think about the mathematics behind it. Yeah, the compilers are smart these days. Yeah, this is very mathematical based, but I'm very, how do I say, dumb. So it was, oh shoot, was it 1401? Yeah, it's 1401. Unfortunately, with this NeoVim plugin, I can't see images, or at least I can't see the images out of the box. Yeah. Okay. But anyway, thanks for coming and watching me, guys. I really appreciate it. It's not easy watching someone getting their ass beat in Leetcode questions. So, it looks like we need to find like a minimum. Some kind. So you're basically giving these axes. So axis X is equal to 1, the vertical line. Y is equal to -1, which is this horizontal line, and not vice versa, but the same applies to this 3 and 1, which is not up to size. Well, actually, no, it is. It is to size. I lied. Let's look at this example. Because what it's doing is finding the closest point, but I'm trying to figure out how do you determine the closest point? How do you get 1, 0 here? Because the closest point here is 0, 0 for this rectangle. So I want the closest point from the center of the calculate closest point from center, from circle center to the rectangle. And then we just say if this like distance squared is less than or equal to radius squared, then that means it's true, that they true overlap. Distance is that closest point to the center point of the circle. Now the hardest part is figuring out this guy. Like how do I get 1 0 here? So I have to do something with this. Like it's like some max and min. So you do like max and min of like the circle point with the with this left corner, right corner thing. It's left bottom corner or right top corner. I just don't know what it is. It's hurting my head. Then somehow you get this 1 0. Because I can't do like a minimum of all three. If I do a minimum of all three, then there's like this -1 that pops up out of nowhere. And you just basically get like a combination of these two. It'd be like 0, -1, which isn't the case. Huh. Maybe the maximum here and the minimum here? So at max x, or like closest x, it has to be a minimum. And then I don't, maybe x2. And it's like stood, there's like some like flurry. Oh. Of x center. Not x center, y center, but an x1. And then the same thing with like and closest y is equal to like some minimum, which I guess is going to be the top left, top right corner, excuse me. And then you do of y center and y1. So let's look at the visual over time. I mean, that will give us the right answer, right? Because for the x center, 0 and 1, the maximum is 1. And we take a minimum of 1 and 3. Yeah. 1 and 3, and then bam. That's the closest value, 1. And then we have 0 and negative 1, and the maximum of that is 0. Oh. Almost to the minimum. And then the minimum of 0 and the 0 and 1 is 0. Yeah. Which could be the case. Don't have a formal proof. I don't have a visual proof. Yeah, and then we do like and like this squared, which is going to be equal to closest x okay, let's just do x squared. X dist. Oh yeah, okay, never mind. Closest x, so x center minus this. We could do just pow. I think it goes like this. 2. Yeah. Yeah. Int y is the pow. And then y center. Oh, I forget. It's y center. We're doing camel case. Closest y and 2. Then we make it a y. And then you should return plus is less than or equal to I guess stood pow. So this is the easy part if we get this right. But it all points down to this closest x, closest y, which I don't. Yeah, I don't know. Hello? How the hell did that happen? How did this happen? Thanks for calling me out, Military. Dude, I was giving... What? When did that happen? I don't even know how that happened. Midstream? Oh, that's crazy. I was doing like the axes aligned stuff. Dog! I didn't think I had to check my audio. Thanks for calling me out, Blunter. Really appreciate it. And also, Del Cooper, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it, mate. Damn! Yeah, I was like doing math in my head. I don't know how much that was actually presented. I was saying a lot of stuff. It was probably jargon, to be honest. But we'll see if it works. Nice. I was basically saying this is like intuition. Yeah. Let's see this. Of like trying to find the closest point and whatnot. Oh my god, the memory is fucking trash. How dare I? There's like just a couple, just a couple ends, bro. Anyway, we solved 7. How's y'all's day been? I can't believe I was muted. I don't even know how that happened. I don't even know when it happened. So yeah. Oh yeah, but for this one right here, I think I would solve 3 of them. I think the last one, well, it depends on how I did my time management. If I actually went to go solve number 4, then I would have gone 3 out of the 4, but at least. But if I didn't, then this could have been like a huge time waster for me, like me thinking about that logically. Like it took me a while to think about. Okay, so we have this one, 1433. 1433. Working with strings once again. We love strings. We love strings. Alright. Okay, let's see. Given 2 strings, S1 and S2 with the same size, check if some permutation of string S1 can break. In other words, S2 can break. Okay, yeah. String X can break string Y. Okay, so we're guaranteed that they're the same length. If XI is greater than or equal to YI in alphabetical order. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Ah, okay. You've been using LLMs. I've also been using LLMs, aka only really one. Well, I guess technically 2. ChatGPT. I'm kind of new to all it. Let's see, where is it at? Yeah, I've been using Gemini. What is this? From AI Studio. Been using that lately. Yeah, I need to start doing these problems a little bit more. Yeah. When you see a Gemini, let me see. Let me try to unsee it. Let's see. Oh, the logo. There's a logo. I see the logo right here. You see 2 spatulas. Interesting. I see a butterfly. And I guess I also see like tennis rackets. I don't see spatulas though. Maybe I'm not. I am wearing glasses for a reason. So one thing I want to ask is can I sort a string? Cause like strings are, oh okay. I can just do that. Nice, cool. I have an n-log n solution then. I'm just gonna sort them because that's the lexicographically in order, and yeah, and then just check them one by one after that. That seems the simplest to me. Like you don't have to go through all the permutations, you just go through one. And that should be the order that it does. Yeah. 7 solved in 2 hours? Is that a bad thing? Are you... I didn't come here to get roasted, bro. I didn't come here to have my pride destroyed. That's actually a lot better than in a lot of other cases. Granted, like 2 or I think 3 of them were easy. Most of them, I think 4 were mediums at least. I could be wrong. Let's see. But yeah, we're gonna sort out each string. And then s1.end. If I can type. So I tried Midnight Simon's type racer last week. Yeah, his little contest last week, and I can proudly say that I'm in last place. Oh, type racer, yeah. Yeah. Dude, so I'm trash. Axer, is it really that hard to read? It's NeoVim. It's LazyVim. Can I do one live type racer? Oh shit. Oh bro, I'm gonna get roasted. I don't wanna get roasted. I don't even know how to do it. Okay, after this question we'll do it. But just know that like my words per minute is like 60. It's not good. It's trash. Well, I don't know how to. I just get people. I just make a lobby or something. Oh, yours is 46. Okay, now I feel bad for saying things. But yeah, I'm pretty trash. Oh, do one on my own? Okay, don't. Okay. I don't want other people to join in and I just fucking get demolished, bro. Actually, that's fine. Leetcode can do it. Y'all can do it too. But anyway, so for what's that? S1, that size. Yeah. And then I want to do something. Yeah. And yeah, first check, which is equal to -1. So if first check is equal to -1, then we're going to do the following. Yeah. First check. Well, I kind of don't want to do it this way. This is going to implicitly. Yeah, I solved 7 questions in about 2 hours and 40 minutes. So it's closer to 3 hours actually, not 2 hours. Solved 7 Leetcode questions. For chatting out, think of the efficiency. My efficiency, dude. Not really working on my efficiency with typing like that, but I do want to get better at it. I mean, I am pretty bad. Okay, so first check is equal to, yeah, S1. S1 I is, oh wait. Ah, yes, I can do this. Is equal to S. Yeah, 2I. Yeah. And then if is equal to how do I say it? It's not equal to that. This is edge case. Then we simply return false. Right. Okay, cool. And then if it goes through all that, then return true. So I'm kind of cheesing right here because this will convert to a 0 or a 1. And then I'm checking if it is equal to 0 or 1. So yeah. You are looks maxed to the core. What is looks maxed? Am I maxing out my looks? What do they, dude? Yeah, you can't fix stupid, Blitzer. Is this a math question? This isn't a math question. So this is permutations, right? But the thing that you really want to check, if if I'm thinking about this problem right, is the lexicographically sorted string. I don't really know how to say that word, but yeah, that's you want to look to see if it's greater than or equal to in that permutation, because like that's what they did here. AYX is a permutation and it's straight up always like true. It's greater than or equal to. Yeah. So that's my thought process on that. And I implicitly convert a boolean to a integer. I see. So I got this one wrong. So it worked in other cases, funny enough. And then also, oh, I see. Yeah, I'm also converting these characters into U integers, unsigned integers. Yeah. Oh, still wrong. Interesting. I wonder why that is. S1, this, and we'll do S1. Nope. Yoink. This, paste. Yeah, do this. And then DB S2. Yeah. Oh, looks max refers to the active attempting maximum. Oh. The act of attempting to, okay. The term originated in male incel forums has gained popularity. This feels like a ChatGPT answer to me. Like I'm gonna take it as a compliment. Thank you for saying I'm good looking. I really appreciate that. Ah, I see. It's because they're first. I see. Yeah, so if is equal to we just want to continue here. Yeah. If they're equal to each other, we just don't know the greater than part. Yeah. I only want to check one way. Yeah. Right. You don't know about the numbers on that? Well, I failed. I failed on the 99 test. the numbers. What numbers? So let's see. Let's do this now. But yeah, thanks for the compliment, Axer. Really appreciate it. Numbers. So this needs to be false. This needs to be 0 all the way true, right? Which it is. Because this is false, 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 false. I don't think this is gonna work. Ah, shit! I don't have the... Shit! Shit! I don't have that, damn. I don't have that test case. Yeah, same. I thought I failed 99 earlier. This is a different, whatever. Trying to cheese it. Oop, that's not what I wanted. What false and true, right? So. It's that equal case. The basic premise is this right here. So we need to do v and then here. We do that, and then just let that get all taken care of. Yeah, and then this should work. Okay, it works. What the hell? Popularity number. Leetwell, what is this? Typeracer has been redeemed. Interesting. Interesting. Okay, we'll do some Typeracer, guys. You guys like Typeracer, huh? Okay, so I solved it. Okay, I'm gonna do it in a second. Don't get me wrong. Just, I don't feel happy about that. My answer. Oh, this is greedy. Yep. So they sorted it out too. Ah, they just checked both cases, which is probably simpler than mine, to be honest. How did I do it in... Oh, there's an old vent solution. Interesting. I don't know how you do that. That's crazy. Yeah. Okay. That was similar. This is all similar. I don't feel bad now. What's my Leetcode contest rating? My Leetcode contest rating is about 1500, 1499. It was 1520, and then I took a huge hiatus from end of March to end of May. So that's about 2 months to do my first Leetcode contest in a while, and I didn't do too hot. Yeah. We get 1520 this Saturday? Yeah. I couldn't do this past weekend's Leetcode contest because I was at a wedding. And it was like all day event thing, so. But I do plan on doing it this weekend. Leetcode is dead? Dang, man. And I did 322, let's go. I've done 324 questions, nice. I've been upping it lately. Oh, and my mediums are growing ever so steadily to pass my easies. Hell yeah. Okay, so let's look it up, type racer. Okay, will you guys not make fun of me on this? Did you guys want to join, or should I just practice myself? I don't mind either one. Either way, I'll get destroyed. Okay. Practice myself. It looks like you need practice. Messing up Ruself. Haha. Okay, guys. Let's see. Alright. I am not going to be anywhere close to these these guys. Okay. Alright. Yeah. Yeah. Why did I do a dot? 52. Let's go. 52. I fucking suck, dude. Oh god. People did it in 200 words per... Damn, you're a beast. This guy did 212 while being slightly inaccurate. Oh, that's crazy. Some people are just so cold with it. I don't even know how to be better, bro. Who's Pat? I feel bad for not knowing who Pat is, but who's Pat? Alright. Okay, this is gonna be a brutal like 3 minutes. Oh, gotcha. Yeah. Is he really good at Leetcode? It sounds like he's really good. Like it sounds like he has a really high Leetcode contest rating. As far as this seems, right? Oh, he's ranked 1? Oh shit. Oh, he's a beast. Oh wow. And he streams. I mean, if you're good at it, you better stream it. That makes sense. Oh wow. Yeah, that's a definitely the opposite. You're gonna get the opposite over here. If you wanna feel good about yourself, be over here. If you wanna feel bad about yourself, go to Pat. Yeah. Oh, okay. Let's see. Oh wait, what? You lied to me. You lied. What is Clash? Oh, so he's really good. This must mean he's really good, right? Oh, the contest rating. You're right. Oh, he just doesn't do Leetcode. He only attended one. Oh, you're a beast. How can you tell what he... Oh, he ranked one in that Leetcode contest. Oh. Yeah, he's alright. He's not like me though. You know what I mean? He's not like if we being real, like come on guys, we know I'm the best. Oh, was it 4 and 4 in 8 minutes? How can you? Oh. I guess you have to go to the contest and then check the rankings off of that and see what he did. Yeah, that's probably. Yeah, that's probably right. Oh, this is probably the Leetcode contest. Yeah. Oh, I probably attended this one. Yeah. I attended this one, and me and him were neck and neck in the contest. Really neck and neck. Because I'm pretty sure I've seen these questions. This might have been my first Leetcode contest. Let me check it out actually. I saw 0. Oh, that's crazy. I saw 0 that day. Oh yeah, Loco, I was doing Type Racer. Yeah, thanks for showing. Yeah, dude. So yeah, like I was saying earlier, me and him really close battle for first in weekly contest 441. We were just neck and neck. He solved it in 8 minutes. I was really close to solving all of them eventually. Oh, that was a rough Leetcode contest. I remember that one. Bad, bro. Clash of Code. Loco, didn't you show me Clash of Code? Wasn't that you who showed me that? Like with all the math problems? Was this it? Was that a different website? Oh, I don't want to join. What is all this? Oh, okay. Ah. Cause guys, see, bro, he's not even first, bro. He's not even first. He's not even that good. He's number 2. He's number. Stupid is. I'm sorry, I can't keep a straight face. Yeah, no, he's probably a beast. He looks like a beast, man. He's only been at. I'm assuming these are like how many contests he was in, like these clashes. He's only done 459, so that must mean he's fucking cold with it. Gets like really high remarks. Especially since all these other people, I guess, well, besides a couple, are in the thousands, you know? Yeah, he's a beast. He's a beast, huh? Yeah. What am I looking at here? They have. Oh wow, this is funky. I was practicing guitar at some point. I'm not that good at it. I can show you a couple tunes here and there, but not anything special. So this is the actual problem. You try to solve the... Ah, I see. So they actually have like all these graphics that go with it. Be right back, guys. I have to use the restroom real quick. I'll be back. Oh, Loco, that seems very scary to click on, bro. Oral screening. Hold up. Make sure you guys can hear.
Did you get past the oral screening? No, they came in my mouth and said, you suck. They came in my mouth and said, you suck. Huh? Did you get past the oral screening? No, they came in my mouth and said, you suck.
So that means he did pass. He did pass the oral screening. So he what it sounded like was he passed the oral screening with flying colors. That's what it sounded like to me. Well, that could be an action. Because the thing is, if you... All I'm saying is... It sounded like they wanted him to keep going. So, I don't think that comment was about his performance. But it do look like he gave good head. I'm sorry, that's messed up. I was just trying to mess around. And that please don't that's gonna be taken out of context, huh? I need to be more careful what I say, huh? Clip. No. Don't. We're not doing anything. I'm not trying to create enemies out here. All right. Especially with. Oh. Especially with the number 2 of Clash of Code. Okay. But he's also he looks like a beast. I've never seen him code, but I bet he's a beast, man. I bet he's a beast and a half. Okay. Yeah. I'll watch one of his streams. Yeah. Is he very informational and like does he try to educate? Yeah. He's the pinnacle of coding entertainment. He seems like a funny guy. He seems like some guy I want to have a beer with. I don't drink beer. Keep it a buck. Anyway, you have to. Oh, okay. An interval is disgusting. Make a guess. Each step of the puzzle and adjust it from good. Of course, you have limit number. Okay. Okay, 1 second. Let me. Something real quick. Can I play the guitar, please? Nah, I'm not gonna play the guitar right now. Yeah. Oh, these puzzles are boring? Okay. Fine. NCC is meta on a hiring freeze. I don't know what NCC means, but I wouldn't be surprised if meta is on a hiring freeze. Okay, so I'll get on this. Yeah, I'm not too sure. I don't know anything about Clash of Code. So it seems like you can do multiplayer. Dude, I'm gonna get my ass beat. You guys just want to see me destroyed? Oh. I need to work on my acronyms, man. Of course, NCC means no condom, Chris. Can I do the G buyout? Oh, I can start a private class. Oh, okay. Ah, what? Let's see. interesting. What do you guys want to do? Should we just do the fastest? Disable shortest? Okay, no shortest. Oh, okay. These two. Reverse 2. Gotcha. Okay. Yeah, we can do this. Just by the way, I've never done any question on Coding Clash, but or Clash of Code, excuse me. So we're gonna figure it out. Okay, let's do this. So how do I? I guess I just do this, huh? Oh, this one. Oops. I thought I was on my Mac. Oh wow. Yeah, let's okay. This is gonna be my first time doing it. I have no idea what I'm doing. But I do know you guys shouldn't look at me for inspiration on things like this. Yeah. Let me know if anyone else wants to join. If you want to join, please say it in chat. If not, I'm gonna start it pretty soon. We'll start it at 3:30 if no one says anything. Okay, we'll see. Also, I guess this is irrelevant now. Okay, my first Clash of Code problem stuff. Okay, I'm gonna start it, guys. I don't even know what to expect. I don't even know what I'm supposed to be doing. Okay. You're given a string. Your task is to transform it by replacing each letter with the following. Oh, wait, what? Ah, okay. I don't. What? Oh, okay. Ah, okay. Okay, so 4. And what? Ah. If. Ah, shit. This is so bad. E A E. Don't code like me, guys. You guys are so fast, bro. You guys are so fast. This is bullshit. What? What? Oh. Oh shit. If shit. Shit. What's the is it is alpha null or something? Dog, y'all are cool. Y'all too cool. What is this one? Is alpha numeric. It's alpha. It's alpha. Ah. Fuck. Fuck. Why doesn't it work? If it's an alpha, if it's not an alpha, then we skip it. Else, we continue. Or we add it. What? Oh. Oh, I see. I see what happened. Alright. I see what happened. I didn't read the question right. What?
I just finished. And I clean.
Okay. Babe. All my viewers kicked my ass in this multiplayer coding game.
Well,
Like it wasn't even close.
looks like you need to do better.
Like they solved it in 1 minute and then it took me like 20 minutes to solve it. Okay. Do you need my help?
No, I was just telling you that I finished.
Oh, good job. They'd rather do this than okay, I'll you used Haskell loco?
I'm just gonna show you where your stuff is.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna clean.
Okay. I'll be right back, guys. I'll be right back. We'll continue to do this. Okay? I will.
Gosh, my thing is so oily. I need your shirt.
Okay. But yeah, I'll be right back, guys. I'll be right back. See, it took him a minute. Oh my god. It took me. Oh my god. Ruby? Fucking zeros. Bullshit. Okay, well, I'll be right back. I can look at your code. Okay, in a second. I'll be right back, guys. All right. Let's go. Let's see. What the fuck is the fuck? This is some regex bullshit. Is some regex? Don't even look like regex. Where's the this bullshit? Oh, this is Python? Oh yeah, okay. Okay, makes sense. Oh wow, that's nice. This is nice to have. Oh, I can't look at locals code. It's whatever. Alright guys. Dude, I use regex ever so often. Oh, we can look at it now. You lowered it first? Ah, nice. Alright. We have 4 programming languages. You use CPP installed. You don't have to do any of that, bro. I'm not trying to get my ass beat in other languages as well. Oh yeah, I need to play. Okay. So are you guys ready? I'm gonna click play again. I don't know what happens after play again, but are you guys? I'm just gonna count down from 5 because I know there's lag. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, never mind. I just have to do. Oh, okay. Well, you just. Okay. Well, that was anticlimactic. That was very anticlimactic. I thought I was just gonna rerun the lobby again. I literally thought I was gonna rerun it. Oh yeah, let's play again. Alright. I assume I'm not gonna get more people, but yeah. I know you guys want to cheat off of me, but that's not gonna happen. I'm gonna start at okay, 4:15. I was gonna say 4:20, but that passed. What? I don't understand this question. You're given. I got a final league table sorted by points. How do you... What? What? How do I... Bro, what is this? What am I looking at here? I've never done this. What? What? I don't know how to... Where's my Leetcode? How do you... I don't know how to do this. Bro, what? I'm so lost, bro. What do you, what? What do you want the output to be? Oh, I now see the input. I didn't know I could scroll down. This is bullshit. Ah. So this is the input. Ah. Ah. Okay. I'm understanding this a little bit. Okay. So points is how much they win. So they won twice. And then they did point differentials. This is okay. Took me a while to understand. I don't know how to program, bro. So let's see. How would I do this? So it's not easy to do. Yeah, so let's the way I would do it would be like some map of oops. And I guess int cool. And it looks like we now, right? I have to do all these includes, bro? Oh. Let me make pair of it there. Nice. Okay, I lied. What we want to do would be... Oh, but that would be hard to... Okay. So we'll do this as... Okay, I think I know how to solve it. I just... now need time. Yeah, so So now we have all the inputs. So we'll do. I think I can do this with map since it's a this. First. Oh snap. You might want to make this a class. You kind of might want to make this a class. Plus equal to. Let's see. Okay, so first is total win points. Second is point diff. So if score is greater than score B, then we simply do team info at team A dot first plus equal to 3. Team info team dot B dot first is plus. Oh, we don't do anything. Which is 0. Oh well. That's what we're gonna do anyway. Yeah. And you do 0, 3. And then if they're equal to each other, ones for each. Yeah. Okay. And then either way, oh, no, that's not what I wanted. Yeah. So I have all the information now. So what I want to do, we're gonna kind of cheese it. We're gonna have this. Yeah. Oh, everyone's pending? Oh my god, you guys are beasts. Good job, local. So we want to do first. And then key. And we're gonna do dude, it took me so long to even understand the question because I didn't get it. Shit. Oh, I timed out. Oh no. Oh wow. Oh. Oh wow. It took me so long to understand the code or the question. But I was gonna like sort it out and stuff. Yeah, so using Java. Oh yeah, using Java, nice. Right. So you created a map. Yeah, you can do this, and it's a vector of integers. Yeah. What is this? What is this? Ah, I see. Okay, you just create a 3-vector thing. Okay. Yeah, this is okay. This is basically the same thing as what I was going for, except for this. What the fuck is this? This. Yeah, I didn't know anything about that. Okay, so we were thinking the same thing, except for you guys create structs, and I was gonna create tuple. I was gonna create my lambda. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I'm glad that I was thinking about this right, or at least similar to y'all, and sorting it. Yeah. Nice. I just took forever to get it. Yeah. Oh, nice. Okay. Good night, local. Have a good night, mate. Yeah, for sure, for sure. I'm down to keep doing this. I'm very bad at it, as you guys can tell. I'm very bad at it, and I'm kind of new. Yeah. Same thing. Okay, so we all have the same thought process in this. Nice. Except for this. This was a little different. But, I mean, same ordeal. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna head out as well. Thank you guys for showing me this. I will... bookmark this. Can we end on a 3-minute plank, bro? A 3-minute plank? Bro, do you ask Midnight Simon or anyone else to be doing this stuff? Or is it just me? I'll do push-ups for you. I'll do push-ups. How about that? How many push-ups do you want me to do? 3? No! You just want to see my ass, bro. Just say it. 3-minute mile? Oh, disgusting. Let's see. I wish I have a pull-up bar somewhere else, but bro, I'm not doing a plank. I'll do 30 push-ups. How about that? How about 50? Oh shit. You really want to see me struggle. I'll go for 50, but I'm probably only gonna get to 30. Let's see. Alright, one second. Gotta get the glasses on. These is extra weight. Oh, yeah. Let's make sure this is out the way. Alright. Okay. Alright. We'll see how I can do. Damn, sitting down has its effects. And also my phone. Alright. Let's go for it. I think you can see. Yeah. You can kind of see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 15, 19, 20, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, only go for 30. Only go for 30. Thank you. Maybe we'll up another time, but not today. Nah, we're good. Thank you guys for coming in and watching me stream. Really appreciate it. Oh, yeah. Let's rate somebody. This guy's a beast. You guys already probably know him. But he rated me one time, and I have not repaid the favor. Yeah, Chi Impact. He's a beast. Okay. Anyway, I hope everyone has a lovely night, guys. Bye.